Stuttering is curable. It's nothing physically wrong with you. Mm-hmm. It's all here. Yeah. It's the anticipation that you're going to stutter. Don't talk to anybody until you said your response 3 times internally. Then say it. It's stand in front of the mirror and talk out loud all the time. When you look at people who know you stutter, this how y'all do people who stutter. So how you doing today? That's what you do. Because you can't help it because you know you're going to be there for a while.
Let us look at the evidence.
Can, for now, the honorable member proceed?
You see, some of us don't know English properly.
Can
and then
Honorable
we
Madisha,
can only come and say,
Honorable Madisha,
hong, 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 like that.
Honorable Madisha, you have actually exhausted your time. Thank you very much.
Yes. Hong, hong, hong.
Honorable Madisha.
Hong, hong.
Honorable Madisha.
That's the only thing that she knows.
Honorable Madisha.
Yes. Thank you.
The honorable member proceed.
Deputy Speaker.
Honorable members, please.
No, the 1 minute has expired. Why do you allow her to speak?
Honorable members.
Her time has expired, Chief.
Honorable members.
Honorable.
There are official timekeepers here who are keeping the records.
No,
your watch is irrelevant. There are
Honorable Deputy Speaker, you are not being fair.
What's the point of order, honorable member?
Deputy Speaker, you are consistently doing this every day, and you think this is your house. This is not your house.
Honorable member,
so please
take
respect us, because when you don't respect us.
No. Don't tell me that. You're out of order.
You are the only one that is out of order, Deputy Speaker.
Okay, thank you very much for that observation. Please go ahead.
Expired, Chief.
Honorable members, you've got your dipstick in the wrong hole. Absolutely. This is why you are getting a wrong reading.